In this video, we're going to be talking about what to do in the event that you go to pick up your children for parenting time and the other party's not allowing you to see them. Now, in order to do anything legally, you have to first have a parenting plan in place, and that has to be something that has been ordered by the court. If there isn't a parenting plan in place, then there's really nothing you can do. So your very first step, if you haven't gotten one, is to go to court and get a parenting plan order. Once you have that, if you get to the other parent's house and they're saying you're not allowed to see your children, your next step is going to be to call the police, have the order in hand, and show them that this is your parenting time. At that point, the police will look at the situation. If it's not something that has any sort of problems built within it, they will tell the other parent to hand over the children. There are certain circumstances in which the police will say you need to go back to court to deal with this. And so in those scenarios, you can go back and file what's called a petition to enforce or a petition for order to show cause, in which you go to the court and you say, hey, court, look, this other person isn't playing ball. They're not letting me see my children. Impose some sort of sanctions. And that can be things like makeup time. It can be things like making sure that the other party's paying your attorney's fees or your filing fee, or a range of sanctions there. Sometimes you can even change the parenting plan to construct something that will better allow you to see your kids. In any event, your basic remedies are, number one, make sure that you have a parenting plan order in place. Number two, call the police and have the police out there while you have that parenting plan in hand. And then number three, file a petition to enforce with the court.